All right. So good morning, everybody. So today we're gonna make a mini game. These are the steps. So first thing we need to do is create. Step number 1: create a project and name it your first name and today's date. So we're gonna go on Scratch as usual. Click on create. Okay, and I'm gonna wait a minute so you guys can name it your first name dash today's date. So tell me, why are we naming it today's date? Yes, exactly. So when we have a group of assignments, it's going to be really difficult to find them later, right? That's why we need to name those with your name and today's date. All right, let me refresh this. So can you please add one more sprite, and they need to face each other. So look, I have cat, and I need a partner for him to play the dodgeball. So add another one. So here, I'm adding another one. Let it be, let's say, the bear. Okay. So added the bear. I move him to this side, and they're not the same size, right? I kind of need to make my the bear smaller. How do I make him smaller? We just change this number to, let's say, halfway smaller, 50. From 100, I change it to 50. Becomes smaller. Now, the next thing is I want to make him face the cat. How am I'm gonna do that? Anyone can show me, besides using pointing direction. How can I make him face the opposite side? All right, can you guys follow my finger? I'm gonna show you how. Can you follow? Oops. So what do you have here, guys? Direction. Can you click there? And then pick the one in the middle. So click on direction. And then pick the one in the middle. And then just change his direction to the opposite side. But you have to go with the middle option, guys. Middle one. Yeah, or you can type -90. He's facing the cat right now, right? So next thing is I need a ball. I need to add a ball. So click on add sprites again. We're adding the third sprite that is gonna be a ball. Luckily, we have it here. You see this yellow ball? You can change the color if you want. How do we change the color? Yes, Isabella. You go to costumes, right? Good. You go to costumes, and then you just pick a different color. No, you don't have to. I'm just giving an option to change it. Guys, I want to make my bear standing. What do I do? Yes, in costumes. Go to costumes, pick the one where he's standing. There we go. All right. Have you guys ever seen a bear? All right. So guys, next thing is the cat is holding the ball, right? Now what we're gonna do is click on so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to okay. Guys, let's do this. Let's click on the cat. Can you guys all click on the cat, please, Isabella? Can you please do it yourself? Because she needs to do it herself too. So click on click on the cat sprite. Okay, Damien, you click on the cat. Now under the event, we have something called when this sprite clicked. Look, I'm gonna zoom it in. When this sprite clicked, which sprite? The cat sprite clicked. Okay. When this sprite clicked, it's gonna broadcast a message saying something. Message. You see this broadcast? All right. Click on this broadcast. It is under events also. And then you say, the ball goes to the bear. Okay, it is in here. You see right under it, it says broadcast message 1. It's right here. On the events, yeah, they both on the events. So under events, we're gonna use when this sprite clicked, which sprite? The cat. And then in the same place, we're gonna find broadcast message 1, but instead of message 1, we're gonna click on new message and then type this. The ball goes to the bear. Right? When we broadcast this message, the ball, you see this ball? Click on the ball now. There's nothing under the ball. All right. So when you broadcast a message, guys, when I say, hey, it's a broadcasting. Can you guys hear me? So the same way the ball is going to hear it, but it is going to be how? When I receive, you see this? Under events again. So you click on the ball and then you add this. When I receive, the ball goes to the bear message. When I receive, the ball goes to the bear message. Okay? What's going to happen is we're going to click on under motion and add this. Glide 1 second. Not random, guys, not random. You're going to add this. Glide 1 second. You guys can add it. Can you add it, please? Just don't change any numbers. Just put glide 1 second to where the ball is. Okay? And next, we're going to move the ball like this a bit and drag the same thing again. Glide 1 second to there. Yeah, for the ball. And I'm going to move the ball again like this. And again do glide 1 second to there. And again, drag it here. And then again, glide the ball here. And again, bring it to the bear. And then again, glide it here. So, understood, guys? So every time you put glide, you move your ball a bit and you add the same thing. You move the ball again and you put the same thing. So this is how it's gonna look like, guys. Look, I'm gonna click on the cat. Look at how it looks like. You see? He's throwing the ball to the bear, right? And we do the same thing for the bear now. But before that, now we're gonna click on the bear, and there's nothing under the bear. We do the same thing. Click on events, pull out when the sprite clicked. I'm gonna zoom it in so you can see it. You see under the bear, I have the same thing when the sprite clicked. And again, I'm gonna get the new broadcast, but this time I'm gonna change the message to the ball goes to the cat. Okay? This time it's gonna go to the cat. That's all I'm doing. So under the cat, I have when this sprite clicked, ball goes to the bear. Under the bear, I have when this sprite clicked, the ball goes to the cat. That's all I'm doing, right? But under the ball, we did this for the ball when it goes to the bear. Now I'm going to add another one here. When I receive, when I receive, the ball goes to the cat. So first let's, okay. Now I'm going to take a glide again. Glide. I'm going to move the ball a bit again, like I did with the cat. Again, add a glide. Move again. Add another glide. Move again. Add another glide. And move again here. And add another glide. Here. Now this is how it's going to look like. When I click on cat, it's going to toss it to the bear. Okay. When I click on the bear, it's going to toss it to the cat. Oops, sorry. There we go. Okay, and I click on cat again. It tosses to the bear. And then when I click on bear, it's going to toss it back to the. So it's kind of going too slow. You know what we can do, guys, in that case? Change this all 1 seconds to 0.2. It's going to go much faster if you do that. Look, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and 0.2. Now look how fast it goes. You see? Fast, right? So they're playing a dodgeball. Any questions?